Well, welcome to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques on YouTube. And we're going to show you in this video this rather splendid meat carving platter made by Wedgwood. It's got an interesting mark on it, this one, combined Wedgwood impress marks with LG and also warranted stone china Stafford marks, which suggest it may have actually been manufactured by Wedgwood, the actual ironstone china, and then decorated by a third party, but you can never be absolutely certain because that warranted mark was used by so many different manufacturers. This is a 17.5-inch wide platter, and what's special about this one is that it's got these recessed drains going down into this gravy bowl at the bottom. Let's just show you the side elevation. Very difficult to handle, these things, they're so heavy. A footed serving platter, as you can see, deeply sided on 4 feet, and then at this end you've got this bulbous extension, which is where the gravy juices all come down into. So it was designed for carving meats and also for letting them stand. There's the Wedgwood marks on the base with LG, and here's your warranted Staffordshire, or Stafford in this case, scroll marks with stone china number 14. Now this was used by a whole range of manufacturers. It's not specific to Wedgwood, but it may link this to being actually decorated and refired and transfer printed on the continent. Interesting history when you research that one. Now on the condition notes on this one, it's so rare to find these feet in such good condition, but there is an antique firing crack all the way around here, runs through the base plate and along here. It's stable, there's no movement in it, there's no chance of it extending. It's probably been there for the entire life of this serving platter. Again, there, if the reflections, you can see these drains that come around here, and then there's a central drain into this lowered section. I don't think this one's had much use during its long life. The dates on this are somewhere between around 1890 through to 1914, probably pre-First World War at the very latest, but there's a possibility this could be anything up to 130 years old. So for its age in fine condition, as a display piece of rare English stone china, it's absolutely superb. The size, the condition, the marks on it. The one other conditioner we have got just down here, I don't know whether you can see it, but there's been an antique repair on there. Just a little chips come off the rim and been stuck back on. But considering its age and rarity, to find one with its base plate still intact like that, despite this crack around here, makes this an incredibly rare piece of ironstone china from the era, and in remarkably good used condition, but light used condition with bright glaze and a really good retention of this very detailed transfer design willow number 14. Thanks for watching.